Welcome to your biology class. We are discussing about animal tissues, and now let's start the second type of animal tissue. Earlier in the previous video we discussed about the epithelial tissue, and now we will discuss second type of animal tissue, that is muscular tissue. Muscular tissue. हमने देखा था एनिमल टिश्यूज को हमने 4 टाइप्स में डिवाइड किया था. फर्स्ट वन वाज epithelial tissue, second muscular tissue, third connective tissue, and then nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue we already discussed, and now we are taking on second tissue, that is muscular tissue. Muscular tissues are the tissues which are responsible for movement of our body. We do lots of work. We'll run, write, speak, or even jump. These type of all activities are related with our muscles, and these activities are done by the muscular tissues, and in the muscular tissues special type of proteins are present. These proteins are known as contractile protein. The contractile proteins are present in the muscular tissues which help them to move. The name of these proteins are actin and myosin. These are the some important protein which help in the movement of the body in the muscular tissues. Okay, muscular tissues are divided on the three categories on the basis of their appearance and their working. The first type of muscular tissue which we will start discussing, the first type of muscular tissue is first category of the muscular tissues is skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles. 3 types of muscles combinedly form the muscular tissues. So we were discussing the first type of muscles, that are the skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles, as the name suggests, these are the muscular tissues, or these are the muscles which are attached with our skeleton system or our bones. तो ये हमारी बॉडी में बोन्स के साथ अटैच होते हैं, and they helps our bones to move. हम जो अपने बोन्स को मूव करवा पा रहे हैं, वी आर बैंडिंग अवर हैंड, वी आर लिफ्टिंग एनीथिंग, whatever work which we done with the help of the bone is done by these skeletal muscles. These skeletal muscles are voluntary in nature. ये जो skeletal muscles होती है ये voluntary होती है in nature. They are voluntary. Voluntary means that we can move these muscles by our will. हम अपनी मर्जी से जब हम चाहें तब हम इन्हें मूव करवा सकते हैं. When you want, you can pull, you can keep your hand straight, you can fold your hand, anything what is related with the movement of the skeletal muscle, it's in the voluntary action. These things can be done by our own will. So these muscles are known as voluntary muscles. If we talk about the appearance of these muscles are long, cylindrical, and the most important thing that we see in these muscles, when we take a sample of these muscles and stain them and visualize into the microscope. आप इन muscles को जब भी इनका सैंपल लेने के बाद स्टेन करके माइक्रोस्कोप में देखोगे तो हमें इसमें बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज नजर आती है, that is about the striation, means bands. When we look at these muscles, we found some bands, means some light and dark bands in the alternate manner we can see in these muscles. That's why these muscles are known as striated muscles. Striated muscles means striation is present in these muscles, or we can say bands are present in these muscles. And these muscles are multinucleated muscles. Multinucleated nature होती है. Multi means many. We already discussed about this word. Multi means many and nucleated means nuclei. So these are the muscles which contain many nuclei. That's why they are known as multinucleated muscles. The structure of this kind of muscles is like this. If we draw the diagram of these muscles, these are cylindrical in nature. तो cylindrical nature हो गई है, and this shows light and dark band. Means we can see such kind of banding. Like this is one band, this is the dark band. In between these two dark band, one is the light band. This is the another. So such kind of striations is found in these muscles. That's why they are known as striated muscles. जो इनका नाम है striated muscle, वो इन्हीं बैंड के अपीयरेंस की वजह से मिला. This portion will be known as light band, and this is the dark band. alternate light and dark band. Again, light band, dark band, light band, dark band. Alternate striation is present according to these bands positions. Inside these bands, many nucleus are found. That's why they are known as multinucleated. इनके अंदर nucleus जो होते हैं वो कई सारे होते हैं. That's why they are known as multinucleated. So here we discussed about the skeletal muscles. These muscles are present with our bones and responsible for the movement of our bones. They are voluntary in nature, means we can move these muscles according to our will. जब हम चाहें तभी हम इन्हें move करवा सकते हैं. अगर हम की structure appearance की बात करें, they are long, cylindrical, striated and multinucleated structure. That's about first type of muscles, that are the skeletal muscle. Second type of muscle which we'll discuss here, or second category of these muscles is smooth muscle. Second type की हम जो muscle देखेंगे, that are the smooth muscle. Smooth muscles, as the name suggests, is muscle. इस तरीके की muscles के बहुत name दिए हैं scientists ने according to their appearance, according to their functioning. These are the muscles which are involuntary in nature, means anything which is happening inside our body without our will is known as involuntary action, like movement of our iris जो हमारे eyes के अंदर iris है, that is moving, we don't know about it, हम उसे control भी नहीं कर सकते. The movement of our digestive tract, when we take the food moves inside the digestive tract and is pushed to the next part of the digestive tract. This is not in our control. हम नहीं देख सकते, हम नहीं control कर सकते. Such kind of movements that are not in our control are known as involuntary action. और वो involuntary action, वो involuntary movement जो होती है, it's due to these smooth muscles. So they are involuntary in action. They are involuntary muscles. अगर हम इनकी shape की बात करें, they have spindle shape. Shape है इनकी spindle shape. Smooth skeletal muscles are the cylindrical in nature, but these muscles are spindle shaped in nature. And if we talk about the striations, these smooth muscles do not show any kind of striations. There, such kind of light and dark bands are not present in smooth muscles. तो हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं इनको, they are unstriated muscles. Unstriated muscles means no light and dark bands are present. That's why they are unstriated muscles. Okay, these are involuntary, spindle shaped, unstriated, and uninucleate, or single nucleus is present. Uninucleated, only single nucleus is present in such kind of muscles. Okay, if we discuss about some more example, the movement of our blood vessels that is not in our control is again the example of such kind of smooth muscles. So they are spindle shaped, जिन पे corners पे यहाँ पे इस तरीके की structure present रहेगी, and they have one nucleus also. Okay, this is about the smooth muscles, voluntary, involuntary in action. Shape is spindle shaped and they are unstriated. No light and dark bands are shown in there. Like यहाँ पे bands हमें नजर आ रहे हैं, पर यहाँ पे भी किसी भी तरीके का कोई band नजर नहीं आ रहा है. And they are uninucleate. Only one nucleus is present, and they are unbranched. They are unbranched. यहाँ पे किसी तरीके की branching भी नहीं है. Next, third type of muscles which we have to discuss is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles, as the name suggests, these are the muscles which are present in our heart. The continuous contraction and relaxation of our heart is responsible due to the presence of cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles की presence की वजह से ही heart के अंदर continuously contraction और relaxation होता रहेगा. ये है cardiac muscles. अगर हम इनकी अब characteristics की बात करते हैं, these muscles are again cylindrical. They are cylindrical, but they are branched, like, and they are striated also. They are striated, long branch structure. They show striation also. इनके अंदर striations हमें नजर आएगा, and they are multinucleated. Such kind of striations is present, and they are branch structure, branch muscles, and these are the muscles which continuously do their work without taking any rest. तो हम कह सकते हैं the continuous contraction and relaxation of heart is due to the movement of these cardiac muscles, and these muscles are again involuntary in action. हम इन्हें कुछ कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. They are also involuntary in action. Their movement is involuntary in action. Okay, here we discussed the three types of muscles. First one was the skeletal muscle, second smooth muscle, and third is the cardiac muscles. Smooth skeletal muscles are cylindrical shaped, long, and striation is present, multinucleate structure. And second type of smooth muscles, these are involuntary spindle shaped, unstriated or uninucleated muscles in which the involuntary movements are present. Third type of muscles are the cardiac muscles. They are cylindrical, branched. हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं इनके बारे में. They are cylindrical, branched, and single nucleus is present. इनके अंदर जो nucleus भी present होगा वो single ही होगा. They have single nucleus. These are single nucleated muscles. So here we discussed about the three types of muscles: smooth muscles, skeletal muscles, and cardiac muscle. With this, we covered our next topic, that is muscular tissue. In the next video, we will discuss about the next type of the animal tissue, that is connective tissue. So keep watching, keep studying, and keep learning. Thank you.